I'm documenting my progress with my last round of cosmetic surgery. I had lost 80 pounds, so I lost a lot of fat on my face and it was droopy. The first incision was here and here. Whew.
1, 2, 3.
Next up we have Soraya Sobradad.
Welcome to this video. April 15th of 2015. I had facelift, neck lift, my lower eyelids, and a lateral brow. I felt I needed a little bit more of a touch-up. I had gotten more of a lift. The doctor cut in here and lifted really nice. They did the fat grafting on my cheeks. I had the fat transfer to my temples because I had a very squared forehead. I always had a strong brow line here. He didn't touch the bone. He just lifted. I have no jowls. The fat grafting really helped my jowline, even though we already did a facelift. I'm very happy. I lost 80 pounds. I used to be 220 pounds. I lost my weight through diet and exercise. At 30, I made a real turn with my dedication to weight loss and then taking off the weight and maintaining my weight loss now for 27 years. And then I discovered that I'm two-spirited for my weight loss, that I could embody feminine and I can embody masculine. Right now I'm doing masculine because I don't want to try with makeup or anything until this heals totally. It doesn't hurt anymore. I have a numbness on the top of my head because they made an incision here. I'm not going to mess around with wigs and makeup right now on my face, but in a week or two I'll be ready to do my cooking show, and I'm excited to see how I'm going to look like then. But I'm really digging how I'm looking now. I'm really excited. I think I look really good. I think I look handsome. I think for a 57-year-old I'm doing okay. I'm really grateful for that. This is not even 2 weeks, 11 days. I had my face done by Dr. Andrew Giacono. He did a really good job. He's in Great Neck and in New York City. I feel more attractive now. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.